I'm playing Kit Brennan. He's an interesting character, even though he's got stereotypical aspects to him of what you might associate with typical gangster, crime-driven, scouse prisoner. He's not your stereotypical kind of person. He meditates. There's a whole backstory that I come up with. And he has got a very unusual background. Abandoned by his mum and dad, into drugs, raised by his grandmother. Then he becomes one of the youngest drug-dealing generals in like the Liverpool gangs. Funnily enough, he's in prison for GBH. As smart as he is, because he is an intelligent person, he ends up messing up, and it's the anger that gets the better of him. I instantly felt a connection to the character and the script, and it not so much because I was like, oh, I can see this character in any kind of artsy way, but it was just the script was so well written. I got a good feel for the character and instantly was very, very happy that they'd cast me.